And now we're going to take a look at dashboard messages. To navigate there, you're going to click Point of Sale, and then right at the top of that Point of Sale page is Dashboard Messages. In Dashboard Messages, this is where you can create any sort of message that you want to send down to all of your stores from a corporate standpoint, or if your stores have any sort of message that they want to send to any other location or to corporate, they can do so from here, and also from the POS. If you are from a corporate standpoint and you open this up, on the top right, we have the Add New. This is going to allow us to send a message out. So when we click on that, at the top, we have our subject. And beneath that is the actual area where we type our message. After that, after we are done typing out our message, we can click down here at the bottom and get a drop-down of when we would like this message to show. So we can schedule a message, or we can just leave it blank and send it out immediately. Lastly, if you have any sort of file or picture that you would like to add to the message that you want the stores to see, you can click this Choose File button, and that will open up your File Explorer to allow you to select whatever you would like to attach. After you have selected the file, you can click Next. And then we are able to designate the areas that we want this message to send to. So we have our Send to Locations checkbox here, Send to Location Group bubble here, or we can send to a specific employee. We're going to keep it on location. Beneath that, we have another filter option for where this is going to be sent to. So whether it's going to be logged in location or in any location that match what we have selected here. Beneath that, we have our locations drop down, so we can send it to all of the stores, or we can do custom and then click this little gray manage button to actually select multiple stores or specific ones if we have more than one. When you highlight it, click the green transition button here in the middle, you can see it open up in the selected list here on the right side. After that, you can click apply, and then we can see that that store is selected to receive this message down here. Lastly, we can choose whether or not employees are able to see the replies on the message or not. And then we can either force the cashier to read and acknowledge the message, or we can just leave it a standard open message that they can read whenever they get to it. Once you have filled out all of these criteria, you can click the green button here to create the message. Once it's been successfully created, you'll get a little pop-up here that says that you have successfully created and sent the message. You can click OK. And now we can see that there is a line of the message here in this module. From here, we can click the View button if we wanted to actually take a look at it. When we're viewing a message from this module as a corporate employee, at the top, we'll have a delete option. We can also print the message thread. If there were any assignments within the message, we can view those here. On the left side, if we wanted to send a reply to this message, we can do so. And then we can see the original message here on the right side. And since we are the ones who created the message, we can modify it from the screen as well, or delete it. And that's how you manage your dashboard messages.